Hi guys, in this video we will talk about the success of a victor-minded person. There was a man in Hungarian army, Károly Takacs. He was the national champion at pistol shooting of his country, and everyone was sure that he would be going to win 1940 Olympic gold medal. But the fate was different. In an army training, a hand grenade exploded in his right hand, shattering all his dreams. Now he was left with only two options. The first, to cry over his right hand and disappear in the crowd. The second, to do whatever it takes to hold on to his dream of becoming the best shooter in the world. He chose the second. After recovering from hospital, he started focusing on what he had, not what he lost. He started practicing with his only hand, the left hand. After a year practice in 1939, he went to compete in national level, and beyond everyone's expectation, he won it. There was a new hope for him to win the 1940 Olympic gold medal. However, he was disappointed not only once but twice, because the Olympics of 1940 and 1944 were cancelled due to World War II. Now, the age factor was a new issue that he had to overcome, as he was to be 38 years old for 1948 Olympics, and it was harder to compete with young rivals. He didn't lose his hope. He gave his best and went to compete in 1948 Olympics. And guess what? He won. Every competitor was shooting with their best hand, but the winner was shooting with his only hand, the left hand. The man with only hand, Károly Takacs. Not only that, he even won gold medal in 1952 Olympics, creating a history of winning back-to-back gold medal in pistol shooting event. My friend, losers will have list of excuses and winners will have lots of obstacles, but only one reason to do it, to make it happen, and it definitely happens. In my next video, we will talk about goal setting. Till then, keep following me on social medias. For the time being, bye-bye.